Namaskar everyone, myself Shilpi Nilesh Kanodia. I am a social science teacher working with Indian International School of Benin. The topic for day 2 session was learning outcome and pedagogy, where we have learned about capacity building program, we have learned about how to be a smart teacher, we have learned about so many activities hand in hand, which was indulging learning activities, learning objectives with learning outcomes. In capacity building program, we have done certain activities which was based on Apple. We had a group of 5 who have presented a learning outcome on Apple, and it was having a very different perspective with one another. We have also learnt about experimental learning, where there was an activity given to all 5 groups based on inquiry based learning, case based learning, lab based learning and many more. We have done role play on experimental learning, where everybody, each group has come up with various activities. We have also learnt about types of assessments, which include diagnostic assessment, formative assessment, ipsative assessments and summative assessments. We have also talked about assessment on rubric, and ma'am has shown us tremendous very nice examples so that we can never forget and we can apply them in our children's teaching process also. It was not only about assessments, we have also done some quizzes, and after the quiz we really want to thank each of the resource person who have come, and we are really thankful to the CBSE Training Unit Board and the speakers, the amazing speakers, for the interactive sessions which were going on since 2 days, and we are really enjoying it. We can say that we have learnt a lot from them, and we can say that we are the proud IISB facilitators.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Ritu, and I would like to thank Ms. Jeelu, Ms. Varsha for today's session. It was so interesting. I would like to thank them for giving us a perspective for teaching and developing new ideas to teach the children, and the learning objectives, learning outcomes, and it was basically based on pedagogical system. So how we need to change that Bloom's taxonomy, which is based on different levels, and how they are categorized, remembering, understanding, analyzing, evaluating and creating. So for giving us the perspective, which is challenging for us also, but it will provide a productive outcome for us. And the CCE pattern, the RTE pattern, the act which has been changed by the CBSE boards and the upcoming projects which are set up to develop for the development and for the goodness. And with this I would like to summarize and thank all of the members for providing the great opportunity for us to indulge in these sessions, which are very enjoyable. We are literally taking the part in role plays and activities, and I would like to thank you so much.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम गिरिश्मा लुल्ला है। मैं इंडियन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल बेनिन की हिंदी की अध्यापिका हूँ, और इस स्वर्णिम अवसर पर डॉक्टर राम शंकर सर और उनके सहकर्मी मिसेस जीलू मैरी वर्गिस और मिस वर्षा रत्ता का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी कि वह अपने बिजी शेड्यूल से टाइम निकालकर यहाँ हमारे पास आए और हमें शिक्षण की नई नीतियाँ सिखाकर हमारा मार्गदर्शन किया। उनके साथ रहते हुए हमें यह भी एहसास हुआ कि हमारा कर्तव्य बच्चों को पढ़ाने तक सीमित नहीं है, बल्कि इस व्हाट्सएप युग में हम अध्यापकों का एक दायित्व है कि हम बच्चों को सही दिशा की तरफ अग्रसर कर सकें, उन्हें एक अच्छा इंसान बना सकें। और इन उद्देश्यों को प्राप्त करने के लिए हमें अपने विभिन्न नीतियों को सीखना होगा। हमने सीखा कि बच्चों को न सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान की ज़रूरत है, उन्हें हम खेल खेल में भी चीज़ों को सिखा सकते हैं। और आज जो चीज़ मुझे अच्छी लगी वो ये था, एक तो ब्लूम्स टैक्सोनॉमी, जिससे हम अपने लेसन प्लान्स को और इनोवेटिव बना सकते हैं। उसके अलावा लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स एंड लर्निंग आउटकम, इससे भी कैसे काम किया जा सकता है। मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि मैं अपनी इस सोच को बदलूँ और मैं बच्चों के साथ उस टीम वर्क में काम करूँ। मैं हमारे विद्यालय की प्रधानाचार्य और समर्पित मिसेस भुवनागिरी नागर पद्मजा मैम को भी बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी कि वे हमारे विद्यालय के लिए बहुत अच्छा प्रयास कर रही हैं। वे अपनी जिम्मेदारियों के प्रति बहुत समर्पित हैं और वे हमेशा हमें हर पक्ष में मदद करने में तत्पर रहती हैं। धन्यवाद।
Anyway, good. I like the way you are, presenting it with so much of liveliness. That clearly speaks about something. You are so much in need of that knowledge that you seem to be kind of, looking to get all that you can. It's nice, but finally, if you don't implement it, the whole agenda, all the money spent, everything that we are here will just fly out of the window. Okay, so since the board has spent so much of money on us and got us here and are expecting you also to become a big part of the board, implementation becomes a very, very important